super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another video to show you how you can make at least $5 by just leaving your opinion on a website. And this strategy that I'm going to show you, my friend, is not going to make you rich. It's not going to make you financially free. But what can be a game changer to your finances is towards the end of this video. I'm going to give you a cool announcement on how you can set up a business on AutoPilot. So I would urge you to watch this short video to the end so that you don't miss that announcement. Okay, so before I give you the details, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the internet. And if it is your desire to learn how to leverage the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct candidate. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Okay, so the website which we are going to use today, my friend, is called Fairpaction. This is fairpaction.com, right? And it says, let's puzzle out your user experience and ensure your success. Get high quality feedback in no time on your prototype, mobile application, on your website, and on your store experience, okay? Or customer support, right? So this is their announcement to their potential customers, all right? Those who use this website, okay? Right, but what is going to be interesting to you, my friend, is this button, which says become a tester right there. We are coming back to that button in a minute, okay? These are the brands that use the website. Obtain your user experience research in a few days. Qualitative, quantitative research with consulting tailored to your needs, okay? Right? It's still their announcement to their potential customers. Where you're going to make money with this website, my friend, is that button. You click become a tester, or you can go down to the bottom of the screen, right at the bottom, and you see the button which says become a tester. Right there. That's that one. You click it, and then it brings you to this page. Work online. Give your opinion on mobile sites and applications. And then you click the start earning button right there, right? It gets you to the registration form, okay? Right. So brands, listen, your opinion counts. Improve your writing proficiency, sense of observation. Then you get paid, right? You can either choose a voucher or you get paid via PayPal each month. Okay, so there are already 100,000 working from home and testing. So you click the become a tester button right there, okay, right? So the lady, Jennifer, is saying, earning money is nice, but it goes beyond that. I was able to improve my writing proficiency and discover new sites and applications, right? And Aline says, I found out about new sites application I didn't know about. Often they are brand new. It opens up my mind and is useful in my work. Okay, so this is how it works. You explore sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet. You send positive and negative feedback. Once they are reviewed by our moderators, you are done, okay? Right, so this is how it works. What is a feedback? A feedback is a screenshot with accompanying clear description. You can report positive and negative elements. For example, I would have liked the connection button to be more prominent. I couldn't find it, all right? That's a feedback. So this is an example of what you'll be doing on your smartphone, on your tablet. Click that to join, okay? Discover the testing app in this short video. Then you can watch that video and you get more information. All right. So I had to dig out this site to find out whether it's a legit company or it's a scam. All right. So usually for you to do that, you have to find out reviews. You have to check the reviews of the site, right? So I went online and I'm on this website, which is called paidfromsurveys.com. It did a review on this site, and it says scam or legit, all you need to know. All right, we are not going to read everything on this. Okay, it's an online reward site that will reward you for becoming a tester. The market research firm that assists other brands and companies with conducting research that will be beneficial to them. How do you get paid? Every mission you complete will reward you with sterling pounds. You are paid in British pounds. British pounds, a little bit stronger than the American dollar, okay? So if it is £5, then you know that it could be $7 or $8, all right? It will be accumulated in your Fairfaxian account. But this will depend on the country you live in, okay? Right? So you can check your account balance by going to your profile and reviewing your mission history, right? How much money can you make? In an online reward site like Fairfaxian, the amount of money you can earn will mostly depend on how many missions you have available. A mission is a task, like they send you an app to analyze. That's a mission, okay? Right? So it says now the number of missions you complete will also be a factor. Most missions will allow you to earn around £5, right? On my opening, I said at least $5 because I know that the British pound is stronger than the US. So you get something like 7, 8 the US dollar, right? So the missions will pay you at least £5, which is pretty good, all right? And the other thing is, you also get a bonus of around £2. Get a joining bonus of £2, which is nice, all right? So, can you use it on mobile? The good thing about Fairfaxian is you'll be able to use it on a mobile device. You can log onto a site using a mobile browser, all right? You won't have any problems navigating through the website because it is optimized for mobile use. Okay, right. So you can read the rest of the information right there if you are interested, all right? This website, like I said, is not going to make you rich, not going to make you financially free. The only problem with this site is that, you see, the minute you stop doing the missions, right, analyzing the apps and the websites, right, and the prototypes, then your money will go down to zero, okay? But you see, my friend, there is another way of making money using the power of the internet. And that way is called AutoPilot business. You can make money on AutoPilot. You can make money whilst you are asleep. You can make money whilst you are traveling on vacation. You can make money whilst you're spending quality time with your family, with your loved ones, with your husband, with your wife, with your children. You can make money whilst you're doing the more important things of life. You can make money whilst you are visiting the most remote places which you desire to visit from a long time ago. Why? Because you have no more problems of money. All right. So I've got a link in the description which can give you all the details. So if you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later. Bye for now.